Have you ever had your computer completely freeze up? I mean, mouse won't move, keyboard doesn't respond, nothing you click on will open. It feels like your computer just gave up on life. Well, good news. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick hidden trick built into Windows that can help you get out of that situation fast and get back to work, back to browsing, or back to whatever you were doing. Before we jump into that, I have a quick question for you. Have you ever been browsing online using your computer, maybe your favorite social media platform, and next thing you know, a pop-up appears on your screen telling you that your account's going to be deleted or that you're infected and hacked, and you need to click on this link or click this, ignore, accept, whatever it is, you click on it, and next thing you know, you end up with a full-size pop-up taking over your screen, making you think that you are infected or that your computer's been locked. And it always has that sketchy number for you to call to get help. Well, they're not going to help you. Those are scammers. If you run into something like this or have run into something like this, please reach out to us here at My Computer Works. If nothing else, the number's down in the description. Write it down in case you end up in that situation. Give us a call. We help people just like you all the time who end up in situations like that. Get the scammers off the computer, see what damage has been done, and then of course give you advice on what to do next so that you can keep yourself safe. Again, 100% USA based techs. Go ahead and go to that number down below in the description. Hit that like and subscribe while you're down there and give us a call. All right, now let's jump into it. When your computer freezes so badly that you can't even restart it normally, the start menu won't open, taskbar does not respond, nothing seems to work. Instead of holding down the power button and risking data loss, which is what could happen, and it's just not really healthy for your computer to be turning it off that way all the time, Windows actually has a hidden emergency restart trick built right in, okay? Let me show you how to use this. All right, so all we're gonna do is go ahead and hit Control-Alt-Delete on our keyboard. We're gonna go to the power option that shows up in the bottom right, the power icon, which is always that traditional circle with the line coming in to the top, just like we have on our remote controls at home, right? We're gonna hold down the Control key on our keyboard, and while holding Control down, we're gonna go ahead and hit the restart option. This is an emergency restart, okay? That's it. That's all you have to do. If you do this and your computer's stuck, most of the time it should come back up, right? So boot back up and fix whatever issue you were having, hopefully. This forces Windows to close everything and then reboot safely without cutting power to the system. It's much safer than holding down the button, okay? In case there's like, a serious issue that needs to be fixed, something got stuck. This is the better method than just holding down the button, okay? However, if you're having to do this all the time, that could be a sign of a serious issue or a bigger problem like bad drivers, corrupted Windows files, or even bad hardware. For those issues, they're not going to fix themselves. So again, reach out to us here at My Computer Works if you need some advanced help. If your computer starts to crash or freeze up constantly, and this trick isn't working to do the automatic restart or the forced restart, that's a bad sign. So give us a call here at My Computer Works and we'll help you out with that. Thank you all for watching. I know this one probably seems like a really simple one for some of the viewers out there who may already know this trick. It may not have been much learned today, but there are many users out there we've come to find that don't know this trick. So it's important for everybody to know it. Simple one, easy to use. I'd much rather you guys use this than jamming your fingers into the button and turning your computers off that way, because again, it's just not as healthy. Thank you for watching again. Like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you all on the next one.